the task that is gonna be needed when using this path that we got from the OS system is to save files. Like for example, this file type that is a text file, you will usually find this kind of code, but you have to have in mind that from other different files like CSV, a configuration file like this one, for JSON, the content is gonna look different. It's gonna have indentations different, etc. And also the encoding type can be different. So it is better to use this kind of libraries to handle these other types of file. So the content it's saved as it should. So now it's important to notice that in this function we pass the file type so that the end of it it's as it should, but this is only telling the function exactly how the file description should be, but it's not actually handling the encoding of the file format, as you can see. That is handled with these libraries right here.